Google Pixel 9 Pro XL has just launched on August 22, 2024 yesterday and received positive responses from various parties. This flagship smartphone from Google brings significant improvements with cool AI features embedded into it. For that reason, let's take a peek at the complete specifications of the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL below. The Google Pixel 9 Pro XL delivers impressive design and hardware with a focus on build quality and durability. With an ultra-bright 6.8-inch OLED display and a large capacity battery, this phone is perfect for users who love watching videos or playing games. Its modern design with an aluminum frame and textured rear body gives it a premium feel. This design is more assertive with sharper lines and corners, unlike the previous Pixel models which tended to be rounded. The prominent pill-shaped rear camera is also an iconic feature that sets this phone apart from other designs. Made from a 100% recycled aluminum frame with front and back panels covered in Gorilla Glass Victus 2, the phone not only looks elegant, but is also extremely durable, with IP68 certification for dust and water resistance. Although heavier than the previous generation, the good weight distribution makes it comfortable to use, although it often requires two hands for operation. The Pixel 9 Pro XL is available in 4 colors: porcelain, rose quartz, hazel, and obsidian. The Google Pixel 9 Pro XL screen offers impressive display quality with a size of 6.8 inches and a resolution of 2,992 by 1,344 pixels. Compared to its predecessor, the screen is slightly larger, giving you more space to enjoy content without sacrificing image clarity. One of the most prominent features of this screen is its outstanding brightness level, reaching up to 3,000 nits at peak and 2,000 nits in high brightness mode. In addition, the display is equipped with LTPO OLED technology that supports an adaptive refresh rate from 1 Hz to 120 Hz. This allows for a smoother and more responsive display when scrolling or gaming, while still saving battery power when a high refresh rate is not required. Google also replaced the optical fingerprint sensor on previous models with an ultrasonic sensor on the Pixel 9 Pro XL that offers improved speed and reliability, especially in wet finger conditions or rainy weather. Support for HDR10 and HDR10+ adds to the screen's ability to display rich colors and sharp contrast, although the device does not support Dolby Vision. In testing, the Pixel 9 Pro XL's display showed excellent performance in both the sRGB and DCI-P3 color spectrums, ensuring images and videos look vibrant and detailed from a variety of viewing angles. Google Pixel 9 Pro XL comes with a rear triple camera setup that has a 50 megapixels main camera, a 48 megapixels ultra-wide camera, and a 48 megapixels telephoto camera that supports 5 times optical zoom and 30 times super res zoom. The Pixel 9 Pro XL features 3 rear cameras. The main and telephoto cameras feature optical image stabilization, resulting in photos with sharp details and natural colors. The ultra-wide camera also takes pictures with a resolution of 12.5 megapixels by default, with the option of full resolution. The resulting images have similar characteristics to the main camera, with minimal distortion in straight lines. Powered by advanced AI features such as Add Me and Reimagine, it makes AI the center of the Pixel photography experience. With updates to the HDR+ pipeline, the Pixel 9 Pro XL produces images closer to reality with better exposure, dynamic range, detail, contrast, and color. Night sight mode continues to amaze in low-light conditions and now supports panorama mode, which provides better detail and color compared to previous versions. The new Video Boost feature is also noteworthy. enabling video capture with up to 8K boost from 4K footage. This is especially beneficial when zooming up to 20 times, resulting in detailed images and flexibility in editing. The Add Me feature allows you to insert yourself into group photos without the help of others. Meanwhile, the 42 megapixels front camera with and 103-degree viewing angle offers good details and realistic colors. However, there is no option to shoot with the full 42 megapixels resolution. Selfies in portrait mode look good, although there is a slight problem in distinguishing between the glasses and the background. This device comes with impressive performance thanks to the latest Tensor G4 chipset from Google. This chipset offers improved CPU, GPU, and NPU performance over the previous generation, enabling it to run various tasks smoothly and efficiently. Backed with a massive 16 gigabytes of RAM, the phone can handle multitasking with ease. While not as fast as competing flagship chipsets, the Tensor G4 has been optimized to provide a smooth and responsive user experience. Advanced AI features like Gemini also add value to the phone's overall performance. As such, the Pixel 9 Pro XL is an attractive choice for users looking for a phone with reliable performance and innovative features. Another advantage of this smartphone is the deep integration of Google's latest AI technology, Gemini AI, which enriches the user experience with innovative features. For example, there is a new weather app that generates dynamic and easy-to-understand weather reports, as well as a screenshots app that allows users to add notes to screenshots and group them into easily accessible collections. This phone is very suitable for everyday users. The performance provided is more than enough for activities such as browsing, media consumption, and light gaming. In addition, Google introduced Pixel Studio, which allows users to create images from text using AI, although this feature is still limited and cannot create human images yet. This smartphone is equipped with a 5060 mAh capacity battery that provides a long battery life. This battery capacity provides a significant improvement in battery life, with up to 14 hours and 37 minutes of life, much longer than the Pixel 8 Pro, which only lasted 10 hours and 3 minutes. This improvement makes the Pixel 9 Pro XL one of the devices with the best battery life among the previous Pixel series. In terms of charging, this one supports fast charging with up to 37 watts of power, which is higher than the 30-watt capability of the Pixel 8 Pro. With this fast charging, the battery can reach 63% in just 30 minutes. A full charge from 10% takes a little over an hour using the built-in USB cable. In addition, the phone supports wireless charging up to 23 watts with the second-generation Pixel stand and 12 watts with a standard Qi charger. This device is priced from $1,099. $1,099. AU $1,149. The phone goes on sale on August 22, 2024. Google offers various storage options for the Pixel 9 Pro XL, ranging from 128 gigabytes to 1 terabytes. Prices will vary depending on the storage capacity chosen. In addition, Google also offers various special offers for the purchase of Pixel 9 Pro XL, such as discounts for trade-in of old devices or credit bonuses. Unfortunately, this phone does not enter Indonesia, so if you want to buy it, you can go to a country like Singapore that has the availability of this device.